Hey guys, so this is basically stupid shit that people do with tools. Okay, now I'm gonna be the first to tell you I love cool tools. I love tools that can be used for a bunch of different purposes and varieties of things. But I just gotta rant a little bit here, guys. This is not a push stick. Okay, this does not belong anywhere near a table saw because obviously bad shit can happen. This thing's made of steel, right? So your table saw blade, all right? If you're working on a table saw or you need a push stick, get a push stick, okay? Use a piece of wood, a stick, or a store-made or a store-bought or shop-made tool, something that's designed to do something like that, okay? Because if that thing catches a table saw blade, you're gonna have a bad day, all right? You might not get hurt, but you just destroyed your table saw or at least the blade, all right? So, don't do stupid crap, all right? This one is just kind of a little pet peeve of mine. This is a screwdriver, not a chisel, okay? I see guys do this every now and then. They're on a site, they don't feel like getting up, so they get this, and then they start using their push stick, and they start beating the crap out of whatever the hell that they're working on, chipping concrete or doing something stupid. Now, if you've got a screwdriver that is designed, or you designated like, hey, this is for chiseling only, don't actually use it for something, hey, cool, fine. But if I catch you anywhere near my tool bag and you're grabbing, my screwdriver to use it as a freaking chisel, I'm gonna beat your ass with your push stick. Okay, don't do that crap. Now granted, if you want to use, something a little, out of the ordinary, where it's not going to damage the tool, it's not going to damage the project, okay, fine. If you get some lineman's pliers and you want to, tap on something or kind of beat on something a little bit, you're not going to mess these things up, all right? And, unless you're, like, driving a nail or trying to drive a nail or something stupid, sometimes you just need to, like, break something free, loosen something up. Hey, no big deal, no harm, no foul. But, yeah, some of this other stuff, you're asking for trouble. And the last one, it's, I work, in and around home improvement. I don't know where this idea ever came from, and I was talking to a few buddies of mine that are also in the trades, kind of wanted to know their opinion on what is your opinion on spinning the table saw blade around, all right, running it freaking backwards to cut through metal and plastics. Every single one of them were in agreement with me. That's a dumb thing to do, okay? The blade is designed to rotate in a certain direction and cut in a certain direction. The teeth are all going like this. They're trying to bite into that material. If the teeth are just like coming back this way and trying to catch your material, that's just an accident waiting to happen. Now, your grandpappy might have been doing that for years without any problems or consequences. Okay, fine. He's gotten lucky. You've gotten lucky. Your buddies on the job site, they've gotten lucky. That's not the way to use the tools, guys. All right? So basically, don't do stupid crap. And yeah, I'm actually one of these guys that think that a lot of warning labels should be removed and let kind of Darwin take effect. But I know it's not going to happen anytime soon. But anyway, guys, that's some of my rants and my tool use pet peeves. Questions, comments, concerns, complaints, whines, bitches, moans, and groans, leave them below. Thanks for watching. I can't believe I forgot my absolute favorite stupid thing that people do. I gotta tell you this quick story. I've had guys ask me how they can take their angle grinder and mount a saw blade into it. Okay, and I'm not talking like an ArborTech blade where it's actually designed to cut through wood and stuff. I'm talking a straight up 4.5-inch angle grinder used for grinding and cutting through steel, and they want to put a circular saw blade on it. Okay, no idea where this idea is coming from. Okay, but I've actually had a lot of guys approach me on is there an adapter plate? Where can I buy the blades that have the correct arbor hole that it's going to fit on there? No clue where this idea is coming from. I know they got this like little tiny circular saws with the little cute little blades on there. I'm not talking those. I'm talking a straight up freaking angle grinder, real loud, crazy thing, and they want to put a freaking circ saw blade on there. Okay. They said that it's most of these guys. I asked them what they're doing. Like, hey, what exactly are you working on? why do you want to do this? Oh, well, I'm cutting molding. It's the best tool to use it. No. No, 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 no. First off, it's not designed for that. Second off, that thing spins way too fast for, to use that thing safely or effectively. God help you when that thing catches on, the piece of wood, the floor, your clothes, your arm, whatever. God help you when that happens. No, it's not the best tool to cut and molding, all right? Use a multi-tool, all right? I'm not talking like a Gerber or a Leatherman. I'm talking like one of those things that, like some of those old timers that had the cast and had that little crazy blade that would spin, like, vibrate back and forth, cut through the cast. One of them things. That is the best tool for cutting, through molding that's still on the wall. If you need to raise the floor because you're going to change the floor or whatever, that's the tool you use, not an angle grinder with a wood cutting blade on there. So anyway, yeah, I can't believe I forgot that one. Just popped on my head. So I just want to let you know. But as always, guys, thanks for watching the videos. Questions, comments, concerns, complaints, whines, bitches, moans, groans, leave them down below.